What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Maggie once again, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how they make banku. Banku is one of the delicacies in Ghana, and they eat it with any soup and or maybe stew, but normally they eat it with light soup. That's what I've seen. So I'm going to show you how they make it today. So this here is a coal pot. Mama, this is the coal pot. Yes. And what is this? Dase. Mama is telling me that they call this dase. And this is the coal pot, right? So this is dase. You can see how it is. So they have mixed corn duff, the corn duff, and then the cassava. Yes, no, we can. And cassava, the cassava duff. So they buy the cassava from the machine. Yes, Mama, you went to Kase to buy it from the machine, right? Yeah. It's fresh cassava. Fresh. They grind it. Okay. So they grind fresh cassava from the machine and then they mix it like this. They will put it. The texture of this one is like porridge. So now is going to mix so that you can see. She's going to mix so that you can see how it is. They use a mingling stick to mix it. Benkuta. Enkuta. This is called Benkuta. Benkuta. Why do you call it Benkuta? Is it because it is used to make banku? Yeah, so the texture is like porridge. The texture is like porridge, but as time goes on, it will go on becoming thick because of the starch in the corn and also in the cassava. So guys, I'm going to try and make some also. Let me try and mix. Mama, let me help. You keep stirring like this. Yes, Mama? Non-stop, right? You keep stirring like this. You don't stop.
Oh, I don't stop.
You can stop. So guys, I'm learning tree because I'm able to understand Mama. Small, kakla, kakla. The fire. After some time, we will do like this. Okay. I'm trying to understand, Mama. So guys, what I have seen is that most of the food in Ghana is fermented. So the corn duff is fermented before they can start to mix it. But the cassava flour, they use fresh cassava. Fresh cassava is what they use. But the corn is fermented. So Mama has brought extra water here. We are going to use it to make the banku. Sometimes it becomes so thick and she has to add some water. Like this? No stop. I can stop small. Okay, now I stop. I stop? Okay. Where do I put this one? I keep it here. Okay, after some small time I do. Okay, Mama. So Mama is going down and she has told me to leave it for a while and I'll keep stirring. After a while, I keep stirring. So that it doesn't I don't know how I can explain that in English. You know those small when you're making porridge and then you get those small those small balls inside, so that the thickness should be consistent. I think that's the right thing. That's the right thing to do. So I have to stop for a while, and then after some time I'll keep stirring. Yeah, so guys, that's how they make banku. It's very hot, I'm sweating. So guys, it's been some time. I have to go back and stir it. Mama has entrusted me with her banku, so I cannot spoil it. So I have to go back and stir. Remove this. You see, the thickness is like porridge, guys. It's starting to become. Let me not spoil Mama's banku because I can see the small the thickness is not consistent, so I have to keep stirring until the thickness is consistent. So that's it, guys. So they have special tools that they these are iron bars. Okay, so they plug them on. Mama, how do they call them in tree? Banku daddy. Hey! See, she's sitting like this and she'll be mixing. You see, the consistency is now becoming thick. The paste is becoming thick, so she has to use this banku daddy. Oh, she has to use this one so that the pot will not get off the fire because it's now thick. Mama blow for you. Now you're learning English, right? I'm also learning tree kakla. Yes, Mama. Thank you for teaching me. So she's using the spoon to remove the excess ones from the pot. Even though you're making the banku, the pot has to still be clean inside, you know. So she's using the spoon and the water here. Make sure that she cleans the pot. That is nice. Because she has added water. You see that? So we have covered the banku and it's boiling. We'll leave it. Mama, for how many minutes will we leave it? Maybe like 10 minutes. 10 minutes you mix again. And after 10 minutes again you mix. So that's how we'll be doing it. Guys, it's very hot. Because we are making the banku from outside.
15 minutes.
60 minutes? 15 minutes. Then you will mix again. Oh, okay. She's saying we'll leave it for 15 minutes and then we'll mix again. So that it will get ready. Yeah, she wants it to boil before we can continue. So guys, that's how we make banku. Let me know if you eat banku in your place. Let me know. So it has boiled for a while. We are going to continue with the mingling. Is it called mingling? You have to turn the banku until you get the correct thickness. So Mama is adding some salt. She has added water and then some salt. According to your liking. Somebody said for my first video that I posted, somebody said you can add salt or maybe you can choose not to add. So it's up to you guys. Yeah, depending on what you want. She will cover it to boil again. Then she will continue. So now we are done. It has been boiling for some time. This is the second time. So now we are. It has been boiling with salt. Mama added some salt. Remember, guys? Mama, can I try? So I'm telling Mama I want to try to mingle. So guys, I'm going to try to make the banku again. But because I'm heavy, as you can see, I'm very heavy, so I have to be very careful. Mama, this one will not go. This direction. Mama, it is soft too. I'm making banku. So guys, if you get married to a Ghanaian, you have to learn how to make banku. Otherwise, banku and fufu. Not so, Mama. Ghana men. Banku and fufu. And rice. Jollof rice. Yeah, jollof rice. But Mama, you have not taught me how to make jollof. You will teach me. So this is similar to how we make kalo in Uganda. Yeah, it is similar to how we make kalo in Uganda. But in Uganda, somebody has to catch for you the saucepan. We don't do like this. Because in Uganda, and you're good, you put your legs in between food. So you have to close your legs like this. Somebody will hold. Somebody will hold the saucepan. So I'm explaining to Mama how we do it in Uganda. So I have to use a spoon, yeah? It is soft too. So guys, there are two ways you can serve banku. You can put it in a rubber plastic. They call it a rubber plastic. But you can also choose to put it in a banana leaf. So I'm coming here to check for some banana leaves. I don't know if I'll get some. Yeah, I have to get some. Wash them and roast them. Yeah. But I have to make sure I get the clean one. So I'm looking for the clean ones. I'm looking for a clean banana leaf that I can use to wrap this banku very well. So finally I was able to get some of the banana leaves. I washed them, roasted them, and wrapped some of the banku in the banana leaves, and then some of it to put it in the rubber plastic. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.